Hello and welcome. I'm at CMT Stuttgart. I'm going to show you this. It's a no thrills Fiat Ducato camper van. It's the CaraBus 600 ME edition. Fire, because that's probably what it'll be on after you've had it for a few weeks. 65,125 euros, and I'd show you the oh, it's working. Sorry, I thought it might be 6 meters long. Payload's what I wanted to give you here. It's under 3 tons, so leaving 500 kilos of payload, even assuming that the company has not told the truth on the payload, as it's now having problems with the authorities for having doing. It does allow lots excess payload. What we've got here, we've got a bed which will either be lengthwise or widthwise, depending how you fancy sleeping, or if there's two, if you want to sleep lengthwise, the other can sleep widthwise, whatever. It comes with this feature here, the point of which totally escapes me, other than it being a waste of space, and some things likely to start annoying you when you're in the bed. Up above here, as always, you've got storage, and you've got indirect lighting, and you've got a skylight in the roof. The doors at the rear are open in this case, but they've got one window, a large window I should say, and the other side you might want a slit window, in which case this isn't the vehicle for you. One thing which is very intelligent to do, at the back here, there's a space for your hearing aid, your glasses case, and whatever else it may be that you take to bed with you. Kitchen block looks quite modern in my opinion. We've got a wardrobe or a shelf unit in there. We've got the fridge down here from Vitri Frigo, which small fridge, but it's not taking up a huge amount of space. Good. I like the drawers, proper walls on the drawers. 2 burners, sink. You've got a bit of space there. In here we'll find there's the toilet. Could have put the light on, sorry I didn't, because it was so bright outside. There's the mirror, and this thing here, never quite understood what the point of this was, but I'm sure it's got some use. Also, you've got storage units here. There is elastic there, might be very visible, but there is elastic there to stop things falling onto the floor. Obviously the hose from the shower goes up there, and then you can see yourself in the shower having a shower. At the bottom there's this shower tray, which has this anti-slip surface with 2 drainage points, although I would have preferred to see with domestic drainage in there. This table has what's called easy entry, and the easy entry means there isn't a table leg. But there is the problem with this, is that when people stand up, they tend to do things like this, don't they? They put the weight down on the table, and that could cause it to collapse. Good, right, to have a look. You notice they've got the step up to the bed here, and under the steps there's also space for storage. This will come out, this part here can be removed if necessary. There's a mosquito net in the door. And here, got lots of space here, as with all vehicles, like old camper vans. All the mattress parts can be removed. This is coming with a mattress topper, which is quite unusual. But all of this down here can be put to one side to make this completely open. Over here we have a gas compartment, and while they're talking, I'm not going to talk. Wir wünschen Ihnen allen einen angenehmen und vor allem erfolgreichen Messetag hier in Stuttgart. Dear visitors and exhibitors, good morning and a warm welcome on the 5th day of the CMT 2025. We wish you a pleasant and successful day. So, I always like to let the lady speak. This is a very basic Fiat Ducato unit. Of course, it does have the beds in a slightly more unusual fashion of doing it. Have a walk around to the other side to have a final look at it. Now, I do need to point out, as always, when I'm dealing with Knaus-Tabbert, that I do not recommend this company. It's had a lot of financial issues. I've talked about this in other videos, so I'm not going to do it right now. But there are far better camper vans on the market, and there will be links to some below. But for the moment, from me at Stuttgart, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.